I thought, I would thought never in a million years, but now it's great. Like 4 years later, I think I first started channeling that message in 2020, and here we are in 2024, and it's not so far-fetched anymore. There is so much polarity, there's so much division, and already many of the states are taking initiatives that are in violation of the federal government, which is wild. You know what I mean? It's wild to see. So yeah, at what point, what felt like I felt like a crazy person saying that, now people are like, oh yeah, you hear there's more mentions of civil war in the media than I mean, it's mind blowing. Absolutely. Like to the point where like mainstream media is talking about it. And so, yeah, so I would have thought I was crazy back when I first got that message, but now, yeah, I don't. Now I think it's like, I think it's inevitable. And I think it's about trying to get us back to our roots. Like, why did we form as a country in the first place? It's supposed to be about equality and liberty, right? And justice for all. And it's not, it's not that at all. And we have to get back to the reasons why we became a country. Oh, do I think Donald Trump will win?